emakhosini. Mkhulusaida lo igedla lamashkrishkr inyanga yamakhosi, and ngiyanamukela to another episode with us here on Kemi TV. Guys, thank you. Thank you for all the messages you sent me, even when I am not on the channel and I'm not releasing content for a week or 2 or a month. You guys keep texting me and asking me if I'm okay. Ukuba inyanga kunzima, izitha ziningi, abantu ababhadlanga ekhanda, ngoba baqedanga isikolo, bahlula isikolo. So manje ngoba sibahlulile, they cannot think logically. And so people become envious, become jealous, and bakujaha ngemithi, bakujaha ngey'nkabi. But uMkhulusaida ukhona. uMkhulusaida is still alive, and uMkhulusaida is still dropping content. Guys, here are my details: social media, my bank account details, my contact number. To those of you that want to book consultations, whether online or whether face-to-face, ngicela ukuthi ungithinte ku-061 178 1304. Sixhumane ukuthi ufuna ukuthi ngikhulume nogogo wakho on your behalf, you want consoling ukuthi uze ukuthi ubaba right that side, whether you want to know ukuthi ubani lo gadlayo, ngoba kuhlezi nje kungena amagundwane endlini wena mawuvuka ekuseni udliwe yonke indawo emzimbeni with bite marks. Whether you want to know what your love life is going to look like for the next year, whether you want to know what your finances are going to look like for the next year, xhumana nami ngikubhulele, ngikubhekele izinto zakho emakhosini. As nibonile from the thumbnail bakwethu, njengoba senibonile from the thumbnail, today sikhuluma ngabathakathi, kodwa asikhulumi ngokuthi ubani okuthakathayo. Sikhuluma ngokuthi, do you have a spiritual calling or ungenwe umthakathi? Are you called to heal or ungenwe ubuthakathi? Was there someone in the family who was part of ispirit, kodwa lesiphiri esingcolile kwenziwa izinto ezingcolile kuzo, iy'mpande ezimnyama? And because of that, sekafuna manje ukungena kuwe ngoba idlozi limgcuzile lamtshela ukuthi awungeni la, ungalinge nje ulinyathele la, ngoba wena wadla igobongo elinamakaka wekati, elinamakaka wemfene ngaphakathi, kodwa it's expose. So today's title is witchcraft or a spiritual calling. You can't confuse the two, guys, because kusasa uyothwasa umnike amandla ngaphezu komzimba wakho. Sithi thina kusasa mase sibona ukuthi umthakathi, kanti akusuwo umthakathi, ulogogo ulomkhulu onganangqondo. So you've been dreaming more lately. You've been dreaming more, and you're feeling things that other people can't feel. Those are usually the beginning of the calling. Uyezwa ngamaphupho noma uvuka uyasho ukuthi hayi lento engiyiphuphile, there's something different about it. I'm not dreaming events that I went through for the past week, things I'm thinking about before I go to bed, but this specific dream is different. Deep down inside, you can feel ukuthi hayi man, ingathi I'm chosen for something. Ingathi khona into ehlele kimi kodwa angazi ukuthi yini. I think nginobizo ngoba ngiphupha amanzi, ngiphupha lokhu, ngizibona ey'ntabeni, ngibona imithi, blah 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 blah. Ngizibona ngigqoke amabhayi. Kodwa today we need to break it down in this video and tell you what most people get dangerously wrong. Emakhosini, guys. Now the confusion between ukuba umthakathi and having a calling. Now kunesikhwama esimnyama sidinga ukuhlanjululwa. Asigezwanga lesikhwama, uma siya kungena isipho sakhona siphendukele. So kumele sigezwe ukuthi ukhone ukulapha ngaso. That's having a calling, kodwa isikhwama sakho simnyama, hayi ukuthi ungene umthakathi. And then kunesikhwama esimnyama, isikhwama sobuthakathi. Akusisikhwama lo muntu okungenayo asithola edlozini, isikhwama asithola ey'mpandeni zobumnyama, afundisa inkohlakalo. So you need to distinctify ukuthi isikhwama leso lokusiphupha uhamba naso isikhwama siphi. You get that dangerously wrong, uyonika umzimba wakho to umthakathi, and then uzohlupha thina, and thina as a coalition of iy'nyanga sizogacela mkhulu, sizogacela nakanjani sogacela ngemithi. So we need to get this clear. You might find yourself usephehlweni, kodwa makumele manje liphakame idlozi, kumele manje likhanye idlozi, kumele manje ligqame idlozi, kumele liqhume idlozi, aliqhumi. Kodwa awulokhu uyaphupha, uphupha amabhayi, uphupha izinto, uphupha lokhu. Makumele ukuthi livele enhlolweni likhulume, alikhulumi. Alikhulumi because it can't talk there. It can try and pretend idlozi lokukhanya, kodwa if it tries ukuvela enhlolweni, a season seer uzokhona ukubona ukuthi cha, lo akusumoya wedlozi elikhanyayo, isikhwama esingcolile. Thwasa uqede, uma uphuma, hawu Nkosi yami, angisebenzi, angeni ma-patient. Kodwa mani uyezwa kancane abantu uma bathuthuka, uphakamelwa isikhwele. Uyezwa kancane abantu abanye uma baya phambili, ingathi izinto zakhe zingachitheka. Hayi mani, wayengicabanga kanjani? It's no longer your thinking. Ulo moya lo. Usufike nemikhuba yayo. And so you have to be very careful. Many gifted souls have gone the wrong route and ended up in pangs. Inyanga that do not understand, izangoma that do not understand, bafaka abantu ogibeni ngokuthi bathwasise umuntu incorrectly, utshele umuntu ukuthi unomndawo kanti lo muntu unesikhwama esimnyama. This person ungene a witch. You do not have a calling. You must be able to tell ukuthi it's a calling and it's not witchcraft. So, what does it look like bakwethu if it's a calling? Sesikhiphile ama-video amaningi on Kemi TV sikhuluma ngokuthi these are the signs of isithunywa, these are the signs of umdawu, blah blah blah. Go into the videos, ubheke, uchecke nawe, and you'll see the videos on there. I can't go too deep here, but I'll skim it at the top because we are talking about how to know if you truly have a calling. The dreams that repeat themselves with ancestors or spirits, they are vocal. Idlozi awuboni awuphuphi nje iphika, uphuphe nje amabhayi wodwa noma uphahla kuloku nje kubuya isiphila. No, bafika bona either basigqokile bafike bakunike or bayakhuluma basho kuwe ukuthi ikuphi into yabo. That would be the first sign that through your dreams amadlozi ayavela in their different forms ney'ngilosi zakho and ziyakhuluma, whether they're speaking in riddle format or whether they are speaking in images. Bona bazokubonisa ephuphweni and bakhulume ephuphweni basho ukuthi no, kunje nanje. Wena uzobe usuza kimi ukuthi I didn't understand what this dream meant, ngicela ungikhanyisele, ngisho ukuthi cha, le phupho leli kwakungikhulu noma ukhokho wakho wayeyinyanga, ukhokho wakho wayeyilento nalento nalento, and so forth. How do you know if it's a calling? You get physical sickness and you break down when you ignore the calling. Ubizo luyagulisa bakwethu. Those of us that were truly called will tell you that in one way, fashion or form, whether uzogula ngengqondo, ugule ngemizwa, or ugule ngomzimba, ubizo luyagulisa. Kodwa isikhwama esimnyama angeke sigulise. Umthakathi akanagunya wokuthi akugulise. They don't have power over your health. Angeke uloku uphathwa amakhanda kubi ngathi kuvaleka amehlo, cha. Uzoloku nje uphupha lento ingakhulumi, uphupha nje ikhwama, uphupha lento le until nawe ugijime iphushe lento le ukuthi ugijime uhambe uyothwasa ukuthi izovula ingene kuwe. Uzophupha amakhambi, ne? If ungenwe isikhwama esokwelapha, uzophupha amakhambi, uzophupha ukhulekela abantu, ubageza, uzophupha ulapha, futhi uzophupha iy'nhlola noma uzophupha ubhula abantu. It happened to me. It's happened to other people engiba-mentorile. It's happened to contemporaries of mine. One of these three or all three of them. Kumele ubone imithi neyiwasho. I can't tell you how many times uphupha imithi neyiwasho. Kumele uphuphe ulapha abantu noma usebenza abantu. I have had dreams of choosing sebenza abantu. You have to dream of yourself. Ubhula abantu. That one is not a prerequisite, kodwa if uyibonile, then impawu ukuthi it's a calling, it's not isikhwama esimnyama, it's not witchcraft. You will hear names and you will hear voices even when no one is there. Bazokubiza. Umthakathi doesn't have that power if ungenile uze ngesikhwama esimnyama. Uma uthi uyalala uzozwa abantu abadala bakhuluma noma bazokubiza ulele uvuke. But at some point or another you will hear audible signs of voices or audible signs of other things such as drums, and you will see in visions. Visions are necessary. Ukuthi uzumeke noma nje usemsebenzini ngabo 3 uzumeke kancane. Uzumeke kancane ube nephupho la ubona into. That's not a dream, you're having a vision. Visions are necessary, and so you will have visions of certain things and you will hear auditory voices of your ancestors. Last but not least, you will be pulled to sacred places and rituals. Uzozizwa nje ukuthi engathi ngaba i-1 entabeni namhlanje, engathi ngaba at a river stream today, engathi ngaba selwandle, engathi ngangena nje, engathi ngakhuleka khona, engathi ngahamba ngikhulekela entabeni. You will be pulled to places like that. Something that does not happen to umuntu onesikhwama esimnyama. Umuntu onesikhwama esimnyama umuntu onesikhwama esimnyama plus umuntu osempandeni emnyama umuntu owamahlikihliki nje. Amahlikihliki nje ayikho lento le yabo and ayizi nempilo. So they can't portray these signs towards you, trying to guide you. Emakhosini. Now, what does a real witch look like? What does umthakathi? How do you spot umthakathi? Number 1 red flag, umuntu you must be careful of this, guys. Abaningi abantu abasempandeni ezimnyama, ngifuna ukukhuluma futhi leqiniso, ngithanda ukusifihla ngasemuva kwesonto. Nina bathakathi, wena obukile manje, yazi ngikhuluma nawe. You are the first one epulpit uma bathi come for offering. Makukhulekwa yabarakakhabashaba uwe yamemeza laphaya kuze kuphela ivoice ingathi buye to fill up the dome kodwa ubusesontweni, because you need to portray and hide lento oyiyo ngempela. Kodwa emndenini abantu bayaphupha. Ngiphuphe umamncane, ngiphuphe u-auntie, ngiphuphe umalume angena angcula ejaridini. Ngiphuphe ahlanzela la embhedeni wami. Ngiphuphe akaka. Why would I dream of such a devout church person, but they're doing this? It's because ngabo 12 wena mosowulele uyaphuma bayohlangana bona kulela hontshelelya ukuthi manje aqale inkonzo yakhe yangempela. So the first sign, guys, is ukuthi umphuphe umuntu who is overly religious doing something that they shouldn't be doing. Wena mntwana umoya specifically uzokhona ukubona ukuthi lo muntu owempande emnyama. They are pretending. They are not Christians, they are Satanists. Makhosi. Generally, you must be careful a witch because ungenwe umoya omnyama, because ungenwe isikhwama esimnyama. Lento ifika with a need of control and a need of revenge and a lot of envy. Akajabulela abanye abantu. Usijabulela nje yena makathuthuka aya phambili. They can fake injabulo, but they can't fake it forever. La bazophahluka khona uzobabona ukuthi this is an envious, dark-hearted person. Makayenza into, akayenzi into from ukukhanya makathi uyakuyenzela. Wenzela ukuthi ahamba ayotshela abanye abantu ukuthi ya ningambona so mina ngamenzela ukuthi. Umthakathi, uqale ukuthakatha ngenhliziyo, ingakho sowuthakatha manje ngezandla. Another thing now, outside of abantu abanezikhwama ezimnyama, cultish witches. You will notice ukuthi they live a life that points them towards doing things that break the natural and ancestral laws. Bayenza into owazi kahle ukuthi abantu abadala mabayibona they will say ukuthi ayikho lepha. Akukhonakala ukuthi kube inyanga le, akukhonakala ukuthi kube isangoma lesi. Le ayenzayo ayikho. Kunezimpawu futhi ezinye eziningi bakwethu ozibonayo. Some of them have specific tattoos. Abaningi abasempandeni ezimnyama. Some of them have specific tattoos which are codes between them abahlangana ukuthi oh, you are part of us, you are one of us. There's a specific code they speak in that identifies ukuthi oh, okay, you are one of us, you are not an outsider. There's specific behaviors that you pick up in them. exposing excessively of the body in front of everybody. Uthi sangoma lesi, kodwa hlezi kuphuma amapunapuna, hlezi, wearing revealing things. Lo owempande mnyama acting like isangoma, acting like inyanga, but akusimelaphi. So we could go on and on. I could give you impaweni. Go into the comment section. Ungitshele ukuthi mkhulu, please do a video on signs that somebody is a witch, and I'll give you guys a 10-minute video, a breakdown of it. Kodwa angikhona ukujula kakhulu ukuthi le video mustn't become 80 minutes. Ne? So why are many spiritual children misdiagnosed ukuthi bangenwe yisikhwama esimnyama, bangenwe ubuthakathi, they're about to become a witch? At times, you'll find that in many African homes, as soon as a child shows any signs of a spiritual calling or sensitivity, it's labeled as being possessed or bewitched. Leyo ngane ishone iphethe lesikhwama sindlule size sibe mnyama lesikhwama manje kumele sigezwe. Masifika komunye umuntu, the knowledge is lost, aye kugobela onganangqondo, afike athwasise isikhwama angasihlambulula angasigezi, lo muntu abomthakathi. It happens. The lack of knowledge from us mentors, the lack of knowledge from Abokobela, the lack of knowledge from spiritual guidance will result in either a spiritual calling being misdiagnosed and treated in the wrong way, and thus resulting in lo muntu lo ajiga aba yinto ekungamelanga aba yiyo. At times, it's shame around the mental and the spiritual. How can I put it? It's shame around the mental and spiritual implications of accepting a calling. So somebody will be misdiagnosed as, no, sibusa good doctor, a psychiatrist or a psychologist. Figure about you've got schizophrenia, you have psychosis. But what, you don't have psychosis, you're spiritually gifted. It's shame ukuthi if simusa kumfundisi, hey, athi uzwa izinto eziso, baqale bamkhulekele, idlozi likwade ukuthi how, dude, really, ungaze ulandele khehla leli ukuthi liloku libeka ingane yethu izandla ekhanda, kuwukuthi thina sifuna ukuthi azoyenza lo msebenzi lo. Shame. People feel ashamed of the calling. General spiritual ignorance and post-colonialism. Bagwethu. English is not my mother tongue. Post-colonialism. Due to the Witchcraft Suppression Act, into esayikhuluma la kuKemi TV bagwethu. We've had a result of many people whose family lineages had a lot of healers suppressed, and manje sekuqubuka all sorts of healers. Abaprofeti ngabinyanga amagedla inini. It's not because everybody is now following a trend of ukuthi kumele bathwase cha. It's because it was suppressed, and now the floodgate is being opened of the dam, and all of us are passing through. And when that is happening, omunye uzothi hayi manje all of us are becoming izangoma, numbers zothi I'm becoming isangoma. Yay mntana moya, akekho khalile la when everybody was doing amapiano and becoming a piano star. Akekho khalile la when everybody was becoming a pastor. Why manje bakhala mase kumele kuphakama abantwana bomoya? Yenze into yakho, naka into yakho, uhlukane nalabantu ngoba nabo abazi ukuthi bafunani emakhosini. How to trust your inner knowing so that you can follow the correct guidance. You were born with a spiritual compass, all of us. Without a human being taught, uyazi nawe ukuthi it's wrong to kill somebody. Without being taught, uyezwa nawe ukuthi I shouldn't take that, it's not mine. It's through mental programming and experience which you end up becoming a thief, becoming a murderer, becoming a rapist, becoming a kidnapper, and izinto ezinjalo njalo. But you were born with the spiritual compass, and training yourself spiritually and having good spiritual hygiene aligns your compass and teaches you how to use it. In short, ukuthi if you suspect you have a calling, ungavese ugijima usheshe ugijima ulalela umuntu okutshela ukuthi kumele ngithwasise, or umuntu omphuphayo. Personally mina, it took me over a year ukuthi ngize ngimphupha ugobela wami ngize ngiye ngiyongena entwasweni. It took me a year, not because there was anything wrong with him, he was an excellent teacher, no, but because my spiritual compass was aligned I was progressing accordingly, and bengilalela idlozi nethonga. I was listening to my dreams and journaling them. Likewise with you, try these steps in Kosyam. Meditate with a white candle. Meditate with a white candle and a glass of water. Meditate. Once you've meditated with that candle, drink that glass of water. Bakwethu, amanzi capture intention, amanzi capture vibration, amanzi capture energy. Angikhona ukuyigcizelela lento. Yingakho thina abaprofethi sisebenzisa amanzi siwahlanganisa neziwasho, sinifaka amabhafu, sinifaka emanzini, sinifaka olwandle, because water is one of the most potent of imithi. It's one of the most potent of imithi. I dare say amanzi aze afike andlule amafutha, amathambo imithi. If used correctly, with the correct intent, directed in the correct manner. Ask your ancestors for confirmation through dreams. Phahle gogo, mawuloku uphupha lesikhwama, uphahle, phahle mkhulu, usho ukuthi uma ningibizile khanyisani ukuthi ningibizile, nicacise. Uma nihluleke ukucacisa, angeke ngihambe ngiyothwasa. Cacisani kugqame. Either mangihamba in real life, show me in omens, or mangilele, ngicela ukuthi ningiphuphiseni, nifikeni, ngoba that's the time I can understand spiritual, or rather I can receive spiritual knowledge. Journal and reflect on all your signs, because things are gonna happen which you think are separate, but in matter of fact, they are drawing out a map of your journey, or they are drawing out a map of your calling. Ukuthi unomoya onje, unomoya onje, unomoya onje, kumele uhlambulule lo, wenze lokhu. And detach bakwethu from fear-based teachings, please. We have already been colonized by colonialism. Ngaze ngathola le gama, colonialism. We've already been gqilazared, satshata ugibe. Kuyimanje nje, there are podcasts upon podcasts abakhuluma ngokuthi ama-ancestors awekho, amadimoni. Into nje engekho. Into engekho. Kodwa angifune nje ukuthi ngiphakamele umoya lapha, angifuni nokungena. But detach from fear-based teachings. Begin being receptive to the spiritual world. The spiritual world is vast, mtanetho. The spiritual world is vast, mtanedlozi. Wena ungabi umuntu nje othi kunalo nkulunkulu lo, kuno Jesu, kuno Allah, kuno Yahweh, ayikho enye into. No. There's no such thing. Just as there is diversity in this world, and you can choose to eat an apple, you can choose to eat a banana, you can choose to ride a horse, you can choose to ride a giraffe, there is much more diversity. This world is a shadow of the real world, which is the spiritual world. So there is much more spiritual diversity. Power is delegated to different spirits in different offices. So tap in, mntana moya, ungasabi bangaloku bakutshela ukuthi opening a door of possession. Bangaloku bakuthusa ngokuthi you're gonna be possessed. Khululeka wena wenze lento engitshela yona. These steps that I'm telling you to follow them, and follow them daily and diligently. Uzoyibona lento ekumele uyibone. So guys, before you label yourself, or you let others go ahead and label you bakutshela ukuthi hayi umthakathi wena, or your calling izokujika ukuthi ube umthakathi wena. Pray and ask your ancestors and watch for the signs. Have you been called to be a witch? Yena comment section usitshele. Sitshele ukuthi mina I'm a witch. Ngigqirha. Ngigqirha. Ngazi ngesixhosa bathi, I think bathi ngigqirha or ngigqirha. Go in the comment section usho ukuthi mina ngiyathakatha futhi angiyisoli mkhulu, ngifuna ukushaya wena ngoba ukhuluma kakhulu. Go into the comment section, let us know ukuthi what has been your experience as inyanga going through your calling, or what's been your experience right now as you found out that you have a calling. Walk in divine power. Go in the comment section, comment I walk in divine power. Subscribe, hit the notification button. Subscribe, please. Hit the notification button so you get notifications when Crusader is dropping new videos. Igedla lamashishileli inyanga yamakhosi ngithi ngithanda ngothando kaliveni ncane emakhosini.